Hey you, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be making eggless waffles. 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, and then 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. This has to sit for about 5 minutes. Inside of our homemade buttermilk, we made a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a half teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now we're going to let that combine and sit for about 5 minutes before we mix the wet with the dry ingredients. We're going to use the stand mixer for the dry ingredients. And next we're going to be adding in the wet ingredients. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. This is the consistency that you're going to be looking for, just a little bit thick. I got this waffle maker from a thrift shop, so go ahead and preheat your waffle maker, whatever you have at home, and you'll be ready to add in your waffle mix. Scoop 1/4 cup of waffle mix and add it to your waffle maker for each side. Okay, so let's check them out, see what they looking like. Delicious. Next, I'm going to fry up some turkey bacon, and I do have some nursery rhymes playing in the background to entertain my daughter. Let me know in the comments what you do to entertain your children while you're trying to get something done. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.